What's going on, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. My new money maker video for y'all today is Sendearnings. Okay, I just signed up for an account not too long ago. One of my subscribers brought it to my attention. I'm gonna show you basically all the different ways you can make money on this site. Things that I'm about to try out, like strategies I've taken from other sites, I'm going to apply here. First and foremost, I want to show you my balance. I already have $5.26. I got $5 fairly quickly. You get $5 just for signing up. Excuse me. So click the referral link. You will get $5 when you sign up, just that quick. You don't have to start out with zero if you use a referral link. So that's very important. All right. So another thing here, they have a bonus, a 50-cent bonus if you complete this list. You see I had to activate my account, did that. I had to take a profile survey. I'm about to do that very soon. I made a web search and I confirmed my first email. So one thing I got to do now is take a profile survey. And I'm going to show you about the surveys here. If I click on surveys, basically all it is me just saying what kind of things I'm into, things like that. Right here, the profile survey, I get 50 cents for doing that. It's 5 minutes, and this is not something that you have to qualify for. I mean, it's something that not something that you're going to disqualify for. You actually are going to qualify for it because it's your profile survey. I mean, they're asking you questions to find out what kind of surveys they can actually give to you. All right, so you get 50 cents for doing that. And then on top of that 50 cent, you'll get 50 cent because it'll be one of the things you can actually complete in the list. So between doing, both of those, I get $1. All right. I'm gonna scroll down here. It'll actually have some more surveys here. You see here, 10 cents for those. Show you some of my interests. If I tell them some of my interests, I get 10 cents. Some household survey, 10 cents. Those are guaranteed surveys you're going to qualify for. If you look at, I don't have a lot of surveys here. Is because I haven't filled those surveys out. So they have to figure out like what kind of surveys to send me. Peanut Labs is always there because Peanut Labs is one of those survey providers that's going to throw you, all kind of different surveys. And basically it's, you qualify for them or you don't. But, Peanut Labs are fairly easy to qualify for. Short surveys, very good survey provider, and I do recommend it. Another thing on this site I want to show you is if you go over here to the search bar, you can actually get paid to search. All right, so if you're gonna, one of the people you're gonna search on Google a lot, you come here and you search. Let me click on it real quick. I click search, and you just type basically anything. I'm gonna type let me see, I'm gonna type Texas. I click search and earn. I actually did one search this morning, and you see here, every time you search, you get 2 out of 4. Every time you do 4 searches, you will get a prize. And I click on win a prize. And it'll kind of show you, what you have to do, win the cash. Every time you complete 4 qualified surveys, the more you search, the more you win. You can earn up to 15 cents for doing this. All right. Now, this is something you can, you can't do it all day, but you can do it every day. You know what I'm saying? So that's something I do recommend because you're going to get, 15 cents each day if you just keep banging out, doing this. You know what I'm saying? And then again, on top of that, if you do this for 4 more days, you actually get another bonus. If I close that out and go over to weekly, you see here, earn a 5-cent bonus any week when you search 4 more days. So that's just little money that you can continue to add up. You can do that every single day. Just, easy money, just searching through the search bar. All right. So that's something to keep in mind. Something you really want to get involved with every day. I'm gonna go back to the home page and kind of show you different offers that they have. They have, high paying offers on this site. Just kind of scrolling down, showing you paying a couple of dollars for different things. You know what I'm saying? So kind of just take a look at the offers that they have on here. Some of them are just, like I tell you, ones that you just sign up, confirm your email, or, get them a little bit of information and you get paid just like that. All right. So very, very simple to do. Now, I'm going to show you how much you have to have to cash out in this site. I don't want to alarm you with this, but you have to have $30. All right. And the reason you have to have $30, I'm not really sure of that. But one thing I will tell you is that it's not fairly difficult to, let your money pile up. This won't be one of them sites where you're going to cash out on every day. It'll be one of your slower earners, but, you don't disregard the slow earners. You know what I'm saying? Because like I showed you with the search bar, you do that every day. That's 15 cents guaranteed. You know what I'm saying? You're signing up. You get $5 off top. You do your profile survey, your interest survey, your household survey, your to-do list. That's another $1 and 20 cents added to your account. Do an offer here and there. You saw the offers, they're paying like $1 or $2. Jump over to Peanut Labs. Once you do your profile surveys, they'll send you surveys that, are in line with your, demographics, the one you sent them, through your profile survey. So, just kind of continue to, let that add up. Like I said, this was going to be a slow earner, but, I tell you guys, just put in the effort, just continue to put in the effort. If you only can make, 30 cents, anywhere from 30 cents to $1, that's fine. You know what I'm saying? Just keep on grinding. Don't give up. Just because it's $30, even though it's kind of high, don't let that distract you from using this site. Okay. So, you can get $30. I believe you can, you actually get a check sent to you in the mail with this site. I think they have some other gift cards that you can do. But, for me, I'm a cash person, PayPal, send it directly to my bank, a check, all that kind of stuff works for me. So, like I said, when you come on this site, you sign up with the link in the description, you get $5 a year account instantly. You try some offers. You see here 100% free offers. All of these offers are free. Nothing you have to pay for out of pocket. Kind of let that load up real quick. You see here again, it's showing my surveys I need to take. 50 cent, 10 cent, 10 cent. But then here, all these offers here, they're free, completely free. And it'll show you what you have to do in the description box. So, you see here, they're paying dollars. Look, $8 for this one right here. $8, 75 cents, $2, 125. So, that $30 isn't that difficult to do. It isn't that difficult to get if you just, do 1 or 2 offers, do a couple surveys. You'll be surprised at how fast you can actually, let the money pile up in your account and, cash out. So I just want to bring this site to your attention. It's called Sendearnings. The link will be in the description. Sign up with the link so you will get $5 in your account instantly. And you can really, let your money pile up by doing offer surveys and through the search bar. All right. So always remember that. And, if you're new to my channel, definitely subscribe, hit the bell button so you can be notified when I make new videos. I'm making videos all the time showing you guys how to make free money online every single day. Just another income that you can add. I have so many different sites, and all of these sites are different incomes. So it's all about making free money online, making yourself financially secure in life. And this is another site you need to get involved with. All right. So click on the link in the description, sign up today, and always remember, every penny counts.